Okay, so we're going to activate the textbook for your students. So you're going to go to Manage Classes. Okay, Activate Products, Math, Search. And here are the 3 books that you have available. You're going to want to pick which books you want each class to have. So my honors students need access to all 3 books. So I would select all 3 books and then go down to my honors classes and pick all of them. You only need to really assign the book that you think that you're going to do activities from, because that's what they're going to need. And if you think it's going to be too confusing for them, then only assign them 1 book. Once you've assigned the book, you're going to click down here at the bottom, Activate, and it's going to say it's done. Then to assign an activity, you're going to go to, this is how I get to it, Browse, go to your grade level, program structure, the unit that you're in, and this will tell you your unit resources. So this is going to be your tests, and then there's also a test prep, which kind of models the star under the second part. It's right here, this Texas test prep. If you want to look at anything, click it and it'll take you to what it'll look like for the students. So like this one, it's a 9-question multiple choice test that they do not get to check their answers on. The ones that I usually give, so we're going to go to Module 1, let's say Lesson 1, Lesson Level Resources. So to get here again, I went to Browse, my grade level, program structure, the unit, the module, and then the lesson. And then lesson level resources. And then you're going to scroll all the way down. Keep going, keep going, keep going. You're looking for assessment right here. And so I've got, these are all of the electronic resources that you can assign. The homeworks are usually about 10 questions. The your turns are those short snippets like, do they understand it? So let's say I wanted to do homework. When you click on it as homework, just to look at it, the students get a chance to check their answers. And not just check their answers, they also have all of these built-in resources. So they can look at an example, they can look at step by step where it will walk them through how to do this problem step by step. The only problem is if they click this button, they can no longer get credit for this question. They have to do another question similar to it that'll have the same steps, but they have to do it on their own to get credit. And you can see when you hit check answer, it'll tell them if they got it wrong, and it will tell them, if they get it right. And it'll give a green check, and then when they go to the next question, it marks it up here. It will give partial credit, so if I get this one partially wrong, but I go ahead, next, it's going to show me that it's wrong. Maybe I got it completely wrong. Let's see. I'm not even reading the question. Next. Yeah. So it turns yellow when they get partial credit for the question. And then when they're done, let me do this. Okay. Well, when they're done, there's a done button down here. It'll regenerate over and over. I think it gives them like 2 to 3 times to try the question before it'll kick them out. And then when you want to look at the results, you'll go back to your home page, and you're going to click right here where it says assignments. And this is where it's going to pull up each of your classes, and it's going to show you down here what they've done. Since I don't have any, there aren't any to look at. But once you have it, you can go to edit settings to see their scores, and from there you can reset it. So if they did not do well, you can give them a second chance. You can also go into the settings and change some things around. If you go to preferences and default test settings, there's other things you can mess with here. And same with reports.